Welcome to Fast Excel Lessons. I'm Chris Sommerhoff.
This lesson shows how to create Excel's left, mid, and right formulas. They let you break out a certain number of leftmost, middle, and rightmost characters of a cell. Here's a simple list of product numbers that all have the same character length. Say that you know that the first two characters indicate a product category, the second two a product group, and the final two a specific product. I'll show you how to do this by using Excel's left, mid, and right functions, though another way would be to use Excel's text to columns feature. For the category, select the first category data cell and enter =, left parenthesis, select the row's product number cell, comma, 2 since you want the first two characters, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. For the group, enter =, mid, left parenthesis, select the product number cell, comma, 3 since the group starts at the third character in, comma, 2 since we want the next two characters, right parenthesis, and enter, and copy the formula down. For the product, enter =, right, left parenthesis, select the product number cell, comma, 2, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. You've now created breakouts of category, group, and product numbers. If the product were a variable length field, you'd likely also use the len function in the formulas. Use these functions when you need to break out a certain number of leftmost, middle, or rightmost characters.
Go to the Fast Excel Lessons YouTube channel and see more free lessons.